Very warm welcome to Code Pathshala. It's long time when we met last, and last time we were learning about lists. So today we are learning about the one more data structure, that is tuple. Tuple is very much like the list. It's heterogeneous. You can put any kind of data type here, like person. So I am putting Chetan, putting age, another one, putting another person, putting age, and done. And we can access it very much like we used to access the list, like person 2. So if we go with it, so it's showing this one 0 1 and 2. But the thing with the tuple is it's immutable. So if I try to change the value of this person with another one, then it is not permissible. Tuple object does not support item assignment, so it's immutable. We can't change the value once assigned, so it's very much it works very much like strings. This is the thing. Now come with another part. Let's say tuple 1, so another one tuple 2, this thing tuple 3. Now let's try the type of tuple 1, and again length of tuple 2, and type of tuple 2, and length of, let's say, tuple 3. So let's once try here. So ideally this should be tuple, but it's going to be string. So if we are not putting comma here, then no matter we are putting parenthesis or not, it would take it like a string. And this is tuple because we are putting here comma after the first element, and it's a proper tuple because here. So now let's try here. It's should be string, uh, type should be tuple, and length should be 1. Again, type should be tuple here, and length should be 2. Let's check it. This is showing from here. The first one, class string, means it's the type is string, length is 1. It's obvious because it's only one single element. The comma is determining the tuple. Comma is just stating that this thing is a tuple, not a string. Here class tuple means the type of this tuple 2 is tuple here. So it was string earlier, but when we put comma here, it's work as tuple. And the third one, the length of this thing is 2. So it's coming as per the expectations. So this is the tuple thing. Now let's comment it. Now come to another part. Now come to the list part. Let's take another example like hot. So the color of something hot is red, brown, orange. And we are taking another list, it's empty list. Let's say warm, and warm, we are saying that warm equals to hot. Now print hot and warm. Let's try it. Red, brown, orange, and red, brown, orange. So right now both string both lists have the same values. Now warm dot append, let's say we want to append pink. Now again print this. So the first thing is here, and red, brown, orange, pink. So hot is also, pink is also coming to the hot. So here the list is mutated, the first thing, by append. So the original list got the mutation, and one more element is there right now, the pink. And if we are using this equal to sign, then both lists are indicating the same object. So these are pointing the same object. So every time the hot is changing, and warm and hot are the same list. Now come to another part, let's say cool, and we are taking here silver, white, and we are taking another thing, chill, an empty list here, and as you know, we are taking the, copying the whole list here. So now both lists are different items, let's say. So check here, if we want to append one more item, and that is, let's say, gray. Now print both lists, cool and chill. Print it. So now come to this part here. So the first list, cool, is showing silver, white, and gray because we have appended this to the cool, and the second list, chill, is showing silver and white. So this is how list is different from tuple. Tuple never allow to add something to the tuple, or delete something from the tuple. So this is how list and tuple are different. And in next video we will discuss about the use case of tuple when we need to use the tuples and all. So thanks a lot and happy coding.